I, Dr. Naren Singh, the director of the International Institute of Herbal Medicine at Lucknow, has been a physician for more than 50 years, and I have seen thousands of cases of diabetes. And during these 50 years, I have observed that earlier the number of cases of diabetes were much less. Today, India is one of the leading countries in diabetes mellitus. About 10% of the Indian population is suffering from diabetes. When diabetes occurs, the other complications of diabetes like heart attack, hypertension, renal failure, these are all the complications of diabetes. Diabetes is not a single disease of sugar as people understand. Sugar is controlled, the diabetes is controlled. No, it is a defect which occurs in fat metabolism, in protein metabolism, in sugar metabolism. And measuring of sugar is one of the parameters only. Besides even insulin and giving various anti-diabetic tablets, we found that the complications of the diabetes do not reduce. And it has been proved that those who take or put on medicines, that is tablets for controlling the diabetes, they are likely to develop more complications of heart attack, atherosclerosis, hypertension than the normal individual who are doing only physical exercise and taking low diet. The treatment of the diabetes is still in infancy. We are not able to treat the complications of the diabetes. Therefore, to our best of knowledge, we developed the formulation which we termed as sugar balance, which will balance the sugar itself. Means it will actually not sugar balance, but it will control diabetes. So it has got three famous herbs, and one of them is Bimi, Coccinia indica, which has been used since thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine in control of Madhumeh, which we call diabetes mellitus. So we selected one of them. The other one is Sadabahar and other is Bougainvillea. All the leaves are used for this, and they are made into capsules, and the plants are grown in organic fashion. And this combination we found is one of the best for mild diabetes alone. It can treat it, and for the complications of the diabetes mellitus, it is most useful for neuropathies, for atherosclerosis, and whatever the side effects of diabetes, we call it diabetic complications are there. They are stopped once we start using it. After taking all the tablets and also the insulin, there are people who are resistant to the treatment. Their diabetes is not controlled even after taking 100 units of insulin. Every type of medicine they have used. Then they come to our clinic and we treat them. And after giving 1 month or 2 months of sugar balance, we found that what happens that sugar levels are regulated, the health of the individual improves, his strength is improved, his complications like neuropathies are reduced. So this effect we have studied for years and found that this combination is one of the best combinations in the treatment of diabetes mellitus, in controlling the non-treatable cases with modern medicines and taking away complications.